me again. Bali seems to be fine and okay. Me and family also good. Nico and Mia family also fine. I hope you are there also stay safe and healthy too. If you remember my first video that I show you how to make sambal mata, did any of you make it or try it? And some of you requested from my first video that how to make nasi goreng. So now I will show you to make nasi goreng ala Ketut. So here we are that you need to prepare. There is chicken, also garlic, but today I will make also with the onion. That is the onion is the the small one like this, and also spring onion and also chili, but if you like spicy you can use the small one, and chicken too. And the next is carrot, cabbage, choy some, but any green vegetable that you can find it in the store that you can use it. Also nasi, we call it nasi in Indonesia, but this is rice that I cooked from yesterday, so it's feel like dry. So is it good for nasi goreng? So this is the ingredient next. We use soya sauce, the sweet one. We use chili sauce, salty sauce, salt, pepper, and there is the chicken flavor. And don't forget that we use also the oyster sauce. So the next we need to prepare the wok and make it hot. First, that you put the garlic first, and the onion, the chicken. So you should fry it, stir fry like 5 minutes or until it's ready. So that the second that you put the carrot first, because carrot take long time to cook. Stir fry. And the next is you put the cabbage and fry some. Spring onion and the chili too. Stir fry like 1 minute. So after 1 or 2 minutes you stir fry the vegetable. It's look like this, and then now it's ready to put the rice. This is like 5 portions. And now you put the sauce. Oyster sauce.
Thick sauce.
Sweet sauce. Chili sauce. We like spicy. Salt sauce. Salty. And we put also salt. And pepper. Get the chicken flavor. Okay. this is come together and taste it. If you like to have more something like salt or need more sweet, just add it after stir fry this one first. So after you stir fry, that is look like this, but you should taste it that it is good enough for the salt, for the sambal, everything. Then I put in the bowl like this because I serve for the guests to make it nice. And then wait, there's garnish, and don't forget to put the fried egg. So here, yeah, nasi goreng ala Ketut. Selamat makan, please try and bye bye.